As we mentioned, Confluence can be used for different purposes, so we want to show you a few tips depending on how you use it. Many of you may use Confluence for technical documentation, so I want to show you how to use tables and anchored headings. Let's take another look at tables. When you click on a table, you'll see these dots that you can hover over and very easily insert columns and rows. You can also highlight over columns and rows to delete them. You can change background colors and add numbered columns too. You can even adjust your tables from fixed width to full width. Now, if you want to send someone information that's most relevant to them, you should use anchored headings. When you add a heading and you publish your page, you can automatically copy a heading link and send it to whomever you need so that they can go right to the section of the page you want them to read. So one of the ways we use Confluence here at Atlassian is to collaborate with each other. And of course, you can actually edit collaboratively on the same page simultaneously. So look, Claire, we're in here together. And you can also add comments at the bottom of people's pages once they're published and in line by highlighting over text on the page. The best way to show team spirit and give your teammates a hit of dopamine is by liking their pages and commenting. And our comment functionality uses the same editor. Now, for those of you who want to use Confluence to keep your team engaged, there are a few power features for that too. You can star pages that you want to save to read later, and they're a little bit like bookmarks. You can find pages you starred under your work in the navigation. You can also watch a page by clicking on the eye icon. This way, you'll get emails whenever that page changes, so you can stay on top of the latest updates. And if you want to truly wow your team and share more about yourself, write a blog. You can do this from the Create tab in the navigation. And what's cool about blogs is that they get listed under your team or personal space too.